Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys. Okay, today I'm gonna share with you on how to generate sales from your online store. So basically, how do you drive traffic to your store in the first place? That you have to advertise your product in your social medias, in your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, your Snapchat, or from other social medias that you have. You publish all the product that you want to sell, and then you have to do some ads. So you want to know more? Stay tuned with us. Okay, guys, thank you for coming back. I would like to share tips on how to generate traffic from all your social media. Firstly, you have a good product. You have to, if you have a product which is good, you have to publish it. You have to advertise it. So one way that you can advertise is from your social media, your Facebook. You can advertise from Facebook story, or Facebook from your Facebook page, or maybe from your Instagram page, or for an Instagram story. This can generate all the traffic from this kind of social media and into your website. And the other traffic, or the other platform that you can use, is actually Facebook ads, which is paid ads. That means you have a product, 5 products that you have, and then you have to upload them, do certain setting, and then your audience, the range of audience, the number of people, the size of the audience that people can see from a different country. You can do the setting and set up the number of product. Then after that, you can publish it for how many days, depends on your budget. For me, I usually set on a $10 budget for up to 7 days display, which means my ads will be published on both, which is Facebook ads and also Instagram ads, which is you know, when Instagram, when you see a certain page and then with a product, and you can swipe left, which is on the left hand side of the top of the logo, there is there's a word name sponsored. That is a paid ad. So Facebook ad can be a very effective way to drive in traffic. It's okay to have no sales as long as you drive in more traffic, because your website that you built, someone has got to know. If there is a website you did not publish it openly, nobody will know that you have a website. So you have to get the audience, so that this audience will convert into traffic will convert into engagement, and this engagement will convert into sales one day. So you keep on uploading new product, and then have a multiples of ads, Facebook ads, and this audience can convert into sales, and sales will convert into your own pocket money. And your own pocket money, you can invest back into Facebook ads, which can generate more viewers, more audience into your website. The best thing is it's automated. Once you paid the ads, you can keep on editing, or then Facebook will review again your product. It took about one day, or maybe less than 1 day, for Facebook to review your Facebook ads, and then everything will goes fine, and it's automated. People will come in, select the population from which country. Let's say, for example, United States, or Australia, or from Canada. These are the first world country. You target them. There are big population there. Many citizens there are looking forward for better product from us. So if you have this, why not you invested your money more into Facebook ads, and maybe you can expand your business more. And the third thing is invest in Google AdSense. It is a paid ads also. You can invest there, but there is slightly a higher price for Google AdSense compared to Facebook, because Google runs in a very big, is the biggest search engine worldwide. Which means, what I mean by wherever you search is always all from Google. The second is always from YouTube, and YouTube and Google both own each other. So these are the top priorities. These are the biggest companies that you can invest it into, for you to be noticed by the audience. So yeah, that's all for today, and thank you for watching.